my name is Paige McPherson, and I created a list of 4 websites and 1 app for the 3rd grade standard 3.nf.3, which deals with equivalent fractions. So I have them listed in this order, no particular order, but I have the link to the website and then a brief description describing what that website looks like and what it focuses on. So these are the websites and the descriptions. So I'm just going to go through a few of them to show you what the websites look like. The first one we'll go through is the one on Splash Learn. I thought this one was really fun and engaging for students. So we can just click on the URL right there. And so it shows up like this. So on this website there are 2 games, one of them with the pictures and one of them with just the numerical form of the fraction. So let's just go through the one with the pictures and the models. So it shows up like this. You can do full screen or not.
Using the fraction models, complete the following statement.
So I just turned off the sound and the narration. If you'd like, you can keep those on. Some students enjoy the music in the background, some do not. But for this purpose, I just turned the narration off so that I can talk to you guys. So it shows up like this. So it gives you the picture, the model of the 2 fractions that it's asking for the equivalent of, and then you choose one of the fish down here to match whatever this question mark is. So 1/4 is equal to what? 2/8. So when you get it right, you'll get a check mark, and then you'll move on to the next question. So now it shows you 1/3, and then it shows it in 9ths down here. So then, say I get it wrong, let's try 7. So instead of showing a check mark, it'll give you the correct answer and then move on to the next one. So that's Splash Learn equivalent fractions using models. So the next one I'll show you is this game called Triplets. I've already clicked on it and it's in the next tab, and it shows up like this. So it's similar to the former game but a little different. So you have the pictures right here of the fractions, and then you have some pictures down here and then the numerical form of the fraction as well. So all you have to do for this one is drag the correct one that you think towards that circle. And so we can try that. So that's a really fun game. It works with equivalent fractions in the numerical form, the picture form, using models, and just equivalent fractions in general. So this is also a really fun game. I would also like to point out the app that I found that works well with this game. Maybe you've heard about it before. It's called Splash Math, 3rd grade math games for kids. And it looks like this on the App Store. You can use it on normal App Store, on the iPhone or an iPad, or it's in Google Play Store as well. So this app not only deals with equivalent fractions, but it also helps students with any sort of 3rd grade math technique. So if you wanted to use this for a multiplication standard, a division standard, or any one of those, addition, subtraction, this app will work well. Since I'm on my computer, I'm unable to show you this one right now, but I highly recommend this one as well. The games are engaging and fun for the students. So I have all these listed in this PowerPoint that I've made for you. I have had a blast looking for these games, and they're super fun and engaging, and I think that the kids will love them, and it'll help them stay engaged at home. They can be played with teams, by themselves, with family. So thank you for watching.